Me I go call Johnny now.
Hello?
John?
What going on, babe?
Wow, you alright?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, I'm alright. I do it, me and me. I'm not alright. You know the money in the house. I'm not giving the money. I'm a key on bother with that, you know.
Wife! Always says that man, you know.
I'm so call you back.
What, girl?
I'm so call you back. I'm alright. Not hearing.
You make breakfast for me?
Mike. Breakfast? What do you mean by breakfast?
Yeah, what am I?
You don't give me money?
No. You have to understand, so you have to understand to work slow enough.
You're not giving no money. You're not buy groceries. You're not helping me no. So what do you mean by?
You have to ease yourself, you have to understand to work
You know
slow
I
enough.
can't take this, you know. I can't take this.
Babe, see your breakfast here, babe.
Alright.
I forgot work now. Me see you later. Work, babes, work. Must say work, babes, work. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Hi. How are you? I like Jay. You look nice too. So Jay, why are you looking like this?
Man, you're alright.
No man, you don't look like you're alright. Come here, Jay. Want me to you? Come on, you can't talk to me. What's wrong?
My wife has a problem, you know.
Problem? What kind of problem?
She started talking to me now when you don't carry no money, carry.
I can't no money. So you don't have a job?
Work slow enough, you have to understand.
You know, sir, I can't help with that. Come.
Then in here nice, see?
Yeah, man.
No, sir.
Long time, you want. So this me and the boy.
Then Johnny, you could have just bring me up here a long time.
How long me and the boy? But you look like you're the idiot with the idiot broke boy. You're rich lifestyle, lavish money and stuff.
Achoo.
Yeah, man. Sit down and jump in the bed, man. So you just sit down.
You know no food.
We have everything, man. All inclusive. Fast, babes.
It's off of my man.
What do you mean by that?
I want money too.
I give you thing, look at me.
Alright.
You ready for your thing there?
What? Alright, Jay.
That thing there.
You have to give me money. That's easy off of me. Alright, Jay. So I'll charge you my house.